Hello, hello. All right, gang. Let's do. I'm going to do a peer review. All right. So let's see how it goes. So I'm going to go into what weekly lessons, I guess. Let's try that. There's probably a few things I could do, but I'll go into weekly lessons, and then that's week 10, essay drafting and peer review is what we're doing. Go into there. How a metaphor works. The assignments here will count as your week 10 discussion board. Okay, submit your essay, draft, peer critique, and finished essay here. Okay, so here we have a link to turn it in. I know we can get it elsewhere. There's all kinds of links, but we'll go here. Okay, so okay, and oh, I'm going to make myself the student, not the instructor. You don't have that option there. Now I'm going to be a student just like you. Oh wait, I don't want to do that. Cancel. No, don't save. And let's open that. Come on, baby. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to write a review. And this time I'm going to have you guys pick your own. So you just got to pick somebody who hasn't been reviewed and who's available there. And you're going to do two again. So I'm going to do Bailey's here. So it's available. So I'm going to press review this submission. This selection cannot be changed after the peer mark has begun. All right. I guess I got to go for it. Okay, so here we go. So I'm going to do that. And we're in. Okay. Now, I see over here that I have some questions, but knowing Dr. Dan, there might be some more stuff that I'm supposed to look at. So I'm going to go back over here and see if he gave me more instructions. I'm not really seeing any here. You know, maybe he should put some there. But let me just go somewhere else. Hold on. Okay. Resource essay submissions to turn it in, maybe? Yeah, he probably needs to put them somewhere else. But anyway, and I've actually done that already. So you can't open the PDF here, and you should. So I'll also put them in the other spot. It's always hard to know where I'll put everything. So I'm going to open that up. So here's my instructions. Okay. Assignment overview, preparation. First, watch my YouTube peer review preview. Oh, that's what we're going to do. And study the helps. Oh, also I should add and see my one on the works cited. Watch that one too. Okay, do the peer review below for 2 essays, and then write a reply. Oh, and Dr. Dan needs to put a place in for you to do that reply. So here's I'll just put this here, and I'll move that over there. Then I'll go back to, not there, what? Where is it? Oh, here, okay. So, well, let me see what he says. Okay, here's the idea. Address the 7 questions below for each of the other essays in your group. Okay, try to use the comment function on PeerMark to put some of your comments right on the essay, and you could annotate using the numbers below. So for example, if you're addressing number 3 below, you could put a 3 next to that spot in the essay. I think I understand. Well, probably I should read it first, so let me read it real quick, okay? So, metaphors and poetry. For centuries, poetry has been a way of creative expression for many authors. Through the years, it has evolved and gone through a multitude of different styles and concepts. But one thing remains constant through virtually every poem. The use of metaphors and poems have remained together. I should need to do that subject verb. The use has remained together since their writings began. I guess I could hit that maybe. I don't want to, but I don't want to bog down on that. So I'll just, can I just mark it? What happens here? Save. Yeah, anyway, okay. The use of metaphors has remained together since their writings began. Whose writings? Since people started writing? Okay. Metaphors allow the writers to express their thoughts and feelings in unique and interesting ways, creating a very entertaining and yet meaningful takeaway for its readers. For readers of what's it? Metaphors? The readers of metaphors? Their readers? Poems? Okay, so that its needs, something needs there, but I'll just save that. Might get back to it later. Metaphors often make poetry difficult to interpret as the feelings and thoughts it evokes. Again, it should be they. Metaphors they evoke in each reader may be different for everyone, so it's often difficult to pinpoint exactly what the author may have meant. However, this also greatly contributes to the beauty of poetry, as it is often universal and so meaningful. and can be applied to many different parts of life. Now, I'm a little confused about what this is. Is it what the author meant, or that it's difficult to pinpoint what the author meant, or that it evokes in readers? So maybe however, what, like this powerful, this power of evocation or something, or this is it the difficulty, or the I'm not sure what the this is there, or is it just metaphors? The metaphor is also great, as they are often universal. So again, what is this it referring to? And so meaningful and can be applied to many different parts of life. Okay, poems can often be seen as difficult, as it is not easy to crack their codes at times. Metaphors play a large role in this concept of difficulty due to their strong language and rich comparisons. One example of this difficulty was found in Doesn't He Realize by Ono no Komachi. Good, want to put those quotes in there, quotation marks around short titles and short things. Can I say that? Yeah. What is that? How does that look? Yeah, okay. By Ono no Komachi, because this is a short poems of many metaphors. Are there really a lot of metaphors in it? Maybe. Kelp, okay, maybe. Of many metaphors that compares himself to swaying kelp. What, the poem compares the poem to swaying kelp? Oh no, Komachi. So again, we need a little sense. This is a short poem with many metaphors in which the speaker compares himself. So we need a little work there. In which the speaker. We need to have our subject should fit the verb. So poems don't compare themselves to swaying kelp. The speaker of the poem compares himself to the swaying kelp. Anyway, okay, the swaying kelp. I am not like the swaying kelp in the surf. It can be interpreted many ways and even be hard to understand what he means by it. A second example comes from The Flea by John Donne, shows this fact as well as poetry is not to be taken literally. It is clear in this poem that he is not actually discussing a flea, he's just using it as a metaphor to describe someone and their malevolent acts. I thought it was all about sex. Is it also about malevolence? I have to think about that. Oh yeah, she's being cruel because I think because she won't put out. How little that which thou deniest me, as it sucked me first and now it sucks thee. One thing you guys need to do is, where is that? How little? One thing I'd like you guys to do is put page number or line numbers on for poems, especially the longer ones. So where is that? Like here at the end, in parentheses, put your line numbers, and you can do that like this. Like you could put the page number, so it's 89, and then the line number, where is that? Wherever it is, see, because now I have to waste time trying to find it. Shoot. Oh, okay, 2 and 3. So then we could put LL 2 to 3, something like, or 2 and 3. I'm not sure. 2 and 3, something like that. Okay. I don't think you need anything there. Maybe do this. You know what? I gotta have to double check that in MLA format to see exactly. I don't know. They may not show line numbers. I'll try that for now. Okay, they don't. That's just something I want you to do because it makes it easier for me. It's not a bad idea. As